All right, but live. We are live.
Shit, on the tiki-taki.
Shit.
Yeah,
Discord.
when I watched your order block video,
Mm-hmm.
I was like looking at that and I was like, man, if this was maybe a year ago, I'd have been so confused.
Would you?
And it's funny watching it. You're going, this shit is easy as fuck.
Makes sense, right?
No, absolutely. It's funny because I don't even mark out order blocks that
Mm.
much. I go through the time frames, but
Yeah.
I just know where they're sitting at.
Yeah, yeah,
You know
yeah,
what I'm
yeah.
saying? So I just flip back and
You
forth.
have a mental note.
Yes. Muhammad, what's up, buddy? How you? Let me go ahead and
Muhammad's in there before I even put the link on.
I
Gee,
know
he's a real
Muhammad be
one.
waiting, boy. He be waiting.
Muhammad's a real one.
Does it when it shows up? When it shows up, like on people's feeds
Everybody. I think
on
I
the
think I got
YouTube,
notification on YouTube. Yeah,
and you can just you can hit it and it says
they're live or
um
something.
be notified when it comes up.
I think so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Against Wade as well, Billy. Nice, nice. You guys are real ones. Good morning.
The real ones are here. Billy, D
To be fair,
Pain,
we do
Believe.
we see the same people coming through now. It's like the
That's a fact. LMNO. I feel dumb. Like, how do I share this to my shit? Like, hmm.
one more. Hello,
Somewhat.
Mateos. Hello, Kago. Don't know if I pronounced that right. What's up, Nissan? Is that how I say it? Nissan? Yeah, because you comment a little bit.
What?
Was that you?
Yeah. No, that's not me. Or who's people are
someone,
gonna start using this shit.
someone is. Is that not
No,
you?
that's me. That's
I
that is
was
me.
gonna
That is
say
me.
what?
That is me. I just wanted to,
I
I'm
was
on
about
my
to
phone
ban
because
him.
I'm trying to share it.
I was about
I'm
to
trying to
ban him.
share it to my TikTok story.
So we're just
Jeffrey, what's up?
Hey, are we jumping from all time highs again?
Yes.
I haven't looked at the chart over the weekend, so
Well, because it made all time highs again on Friday. That was the
yes.
sweep that I talked about in my video.
Mm. Oh,
That was
okay,
such
yeah,
an
that was
easy
it, yeah.
trade, bro. It's such an easy trade.
Well, you caught the shorts?
Yeah, you watched the video I posted. What are
Yeah,
you
I didn't see
talking
the
about
trade.
not?
I didn't see the trade.
Yeah, I caught the shorts. Wait. What do you mean you didn't see the trade? If you watched the video, you
No, I
saw the
hit.
trade.
No, I didn't.
I'm confused, man. So you did. So you're trying to tell me you did not watch my video all the way through?
I did watch your video. I did watch your video, but
Then you
I
saw
didn't see
the
the trade.
trade.
Yeah, but I can't remember what the trade was. Like
It
I
was just
watched
a
the video.
sweep, and it was a sweep. It was a 30-minute OB,
Mm.
a sweep, and a 1 minute inversion candle closure. But it was on. I took it on the 30-second though.
Okay, okay.
But yeah, Kai got busted. I know, right? He just liking my shit and moving on.
Kind of process. No, no, I didn't. I watch it. I watch it. It was Friday. You gotta remember, yeah. When I'm watching it, it's Friday night. Yeah, it's Friday night for me. Do you understand?
Nah, I get it.
It might not be
But
all
I don't know.
there.
Wait,
It might not be all there.
wait.
It might not be all.
So are you saying because it's Friday night, you're
I may
not
have been. I may
you're
have
not
been.
you're not aware of
No,
what's going on?
I may have been under the influence of something. I'm not sure.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay, now the truth comes out. So you probably was like this. Look at Jay making content. Let me like and go back to the lab. Yeah. Oh shit, that's funny. That's funny.
Sorry, boys. Just press on the link on Instagram, and we'll get on with the analysis.
Yeah, the analysis.
Nah, boys. It's like
Kyle, are you with your girl?
you will be my girl. What today? What do you want to know?
Alex, what up, man? Summer house in the building.
Right, boys. Let's see. Get some this shit going. Nope, on Friday. Yeah. On Friday, yeah. I'm always on my girl Fridays.
So you're not with your girl during the rest of the week?
4 days a week.
What
4 days.
would you send her away?
Yeah. That's another. Go. You gotta help my mom out.
Oh, she got to help her mom out. Okay, got you. That sounded wild for a minute, bro.
I can't see any wood blocks on those bigger time frames there. 45, 30, there's a failed one here. 15. This one's been taken. No, the next order block to the downside is that 3-hour one. Check again. Yeah. Let's look at the 15 one here. Tangle.
How do you post to the story?
Extend to the right. So that's all I can see in terms of new order blocks. 15 in order block here. Major liquidity point, obviously, here, boys. That's something we want to keep an eye on. This could be a big drop today.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
Already broke the daily low. We're now creating new lows here, so I won't mark that yet. But let's go back to ES. See what's going on there. Right, on ES. That's what that line is. Check from the 4-hour. Still nothing. It's just okay, nothing at 4, 3. We had one here, but I think it's been mitigated already. Yeah, so this one gone up, came back into it, and then shot up. 2 hours. One. Forty-five minutes. There's we're bouncing off of 30 right now. So I'll just mark that just to know where we are.
Yo, when you put the link in the TikTok story, is that you are you able to click on that when you've done it before?
I'm not too sure.
I don't think so.
Why have you posted one?
I was going to, but then I'm like, how do you click on this? And people look
Yeah,
at it
I'm
and be
not sure they
confused.
offer the same options Instagram.
Right.
Right, that's the levels today, boys. That's what we're looking for.
That is the levels today.
Yes.
Only
See where we're at here with NQ. NQ looks a bit more tricky. It's gone way past that there already.
D-Pain, are you on electronic trading hours? Or are you looking at it? Are you trying to compare your screen to his screen to yours? Because remember, there's a delay.
Yeah, guys, I miss a candle on the M1 time frame like it only prints. Yeah, I'm not sure if are you guys able to post screenshots in the chat or not?
No.
No.
Morning, Rob.
Good morning.
Morning, Noon. Morning, Bernard. Morning, Jesus. Only TNT. Peace. Woodsy, what up?
My friend see where you was. Really, Billy?
Oh, motherfuckers is stalking, son. Motherfuckers is stalking.
What in Bangkok or what? Do you know, I've had a few people like after nights out sometimes they'll come up to me. Are you KDS? It's so weird, bro.
Yes.
It's
I'm a
so
big
weird.
fan. You
There's
trying to tell me you don't like that shit? You know you like that shit.
nah, it's so weird. It's weird because I'm not like I guess it's such a niche in it trading, and if you trade in futures, I guess maybe like I'll probably will come up on your feed.
Yeah, pretty much. John, morning. First time watching us trade live? Okay, well, make sure you get your stuff in the count. Apex, KDS.
Shit,
Welcome to Eval Mondays.
what's up, girls? Hey, don't
Sorted
come in here trying to
things. You're on
violate.
electronic trading hours. Okay. No, you want to be on electronic trading hours.
Yeah, what? Am
You
I?
don't want to be on regular trading hours.
Yeah. You want to be electronic trading now? It's like here, electronic. Because if you go
Yeah,
regular,
you want
look, what happens to the chart? Look what happens. Boom. Now you
because
ain't got those levels.
regular is gonna take out all the overnight trading.
Yeah, and we want to know the overnight trading. We want to know the levels. You've been following me since 2023. Yeah.
You've been around a minute, Billy. Billy Shafo. Shafo.
For
So
sure.
yes, Saturday morning, my wife and I are watching videos on Vietnam, right?
Ugh.
Remember how I asked Sangar about Da Nang?
Da Nang, yeah.
So I saw an interview with this couple from LA that moved to Da Nang, Vietnam. It was some dude named Isaiah. We talked about him before. He does nothing but like videos of people going to Thailand and Vietnam.
Right.
Yeah. So mad coincidence happened yesterday. I can't talk about some of them because very inappropriate. But anyway, I'm on my shit and on my FYP, that couple pops up, right?
Right.
And I'm watching it. You know what I'm saying? I was like, fuck it. Let me just send them some flowers and shit, to support. And I hit the damn live request button, and they wanted me to come on live with them.
You're joking.
Yeah, so I was like, fuck, I'm looking at my wife, and I'm like, shut up,
Bro.
guys. She's like, fuck it. So I went on live with them for about
No
3 minutes. You know what I'm saying? Fucking with, because they on the beach and they now I'm chilling. I'm in my living
Yeah,
room. You know what I
yeah,
mean? And it was a good conversation. Um, 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 they followed me, I followed them. I got their WhatsApp number, and any questions that we have, You know, because his dude's wife is from Vietnam. She moved when she was like 7 years old though, like at the end of the war and shit.
Right.
And they're older people, like I said, but they said whatever we need to try to get over there, any like advice or question need to be answered, just hit them up.
That was nice of
So
him.
yeah, so my point is, after all those coincidences yesterday, I know I'm leaving the U.S.
You do.
I know I'm leaving the U.S.
Yeah. You made your mind up.
I don't think you understand like how excited I am, bro.
You've made your
Like
mind
I
up.
want out of here so
Jeez.
bad. This fucking third world country I live in.
Love that, bro.
So I'm probably not. I'm probably gonna wind up though moving to Vietnam though. It'd just be much easier.
Hey, you'll be like an hour away from me, bro.
No, I know. I ain't nothing but a flight.
Yeah, literally.
It ain't
So
nothing but a
close.
flight and a cheap one at that.
Exactly. So cheap. It'll be like $30, something like that.
Because
$40.
yeah, we were talking about it, and right now the timeline is 24 months.
So does your wife want to?
Yes,
Yeah.
absolutely,
So did you talk about it to her
absolutely.
before?
We talked about it a bunch of times, but
It was
the
never
last
definite.
few months I've been very serious about it,
Yeah, yeah,
and this weekend she became very serious about it.
yeah. The thought's in
You
now,
know,
and like
because
you've made your mind up.
listen, we could leave right now, and be able to make it overseas,
Yeah, yeah.
and not have to fucking work right
Wow.
now.
Yeah,
But we have so many things, we got young kids. I mean, they're not young, but
yeah, yeah,
you
yeah.
know, but
Still needs a bit of
I
planning.
told I told her last night, we can go right now. There's mad equity in this house. We sell this motherfucker.
You're out of there,
We
bro.
out of
Yeah,
here.
man. Yeah,
You know what I'm saying?
you're in a perfect spot to do it as well.
Yeah. And listen, and with trading, just to be completely honest, yes, I want to have $20,000 a month, $40,000 a month, $60,000 a month. But let me tell you something. I only need 2 grand a month
Yeah,
out of
yeah.
this. See, that's why I keep telling motherfuckers, lower your expectations. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to make all this bread. Just get that consistent bread.
And
Once you get that consistent bread, bomb.
if anything, that's actually gonna make you a better trader. Not needing
No,
to,
absolutely.
not needing that much money is gonna make you a better trader. Yeah, for sure.
I couldn't have said it better myself. That's what makes you a better trader, man.
20
The
bucks,
motherfucker
bro.
said, nah, bro, I need 20 bands now.
He needs that Lambo yesterday.
Oh shit. Nah, hey Zeus, I'm not from New York City. I'm from upstate New York, a town called Newburgh. It's like 45 minutes from Manhattan or the Bronx. I'm not from ATL, Salvador. Watch your mouth, boy. You know what I'm saying? If I was from ATL, I'd be like this right now. Hey, hey, yo, what kind of sound
What does that mean?
does a gay ghost make?
What kind of sound? Yeah, go
A
snake.
gay ghost make? Boo.
Wow. Wow. Can't we tell that Jen is a dad? I love the dad jokes, mate.
Oh man.
Got on me regardless. These taxes are screwing us. I'm from Jersey. Quick 5% no matter what. Yeah. Look at
Yeah,
that. Bouncing off the older block.
Jersey's a wild place.
See,
Was that a 30-minute right there?
yeah. If you would have watched the older block video, you would have got in this trade, but it was too early for me.
Yes, I mean, it's too early because Mark ain't even open. Shit.
Yeah,
You're 20 minutes away from taking a trade.
yeah. Yeah, exactly.
Oh shit.
I need
Oh man.
1,000 times 20. You're
I need
trading on
that.
20 accounts?
You're saying you need 1,000? You're talking about what? You need $50 an account? Because if you're trying to go for $1,000 a day with 20 accounts, you're risking too much. You need to lower that.
I think this will be an account today. We might give an account away at the end of the session, if we get enough likes. But we're not gonna start begging for it. You know. If
I'm
you guys
absolutely
wanna
not
like,
begging for shit.
if you guys wanna like it, like it. If it hits the numbers, we'll give an account away. If it doesn't,
Yeah, because I mean, come on now. Enough is enough with having. Let me see. Let me go to where's the live at? Am I on the live? Let me see. How
you
many
guys know
people
the
are
drill
watching?
already. Kai, what do you think your greatest trading edge is? That's a good question. I'd say my risk management along with my psychology. That's my greatest trading edge. It's not even about the charts.
Yo, that is. Yes, I'm not where you're at, but that's what I want. You're because I don't know how you do it. You could be having a horrible last month, but
Yeah.
will still wind up green just because of
Yeah,
that
yeah.
risk management. But I think your risk management comes with your ability to be disciplined, though. I think the discipline comes first.
No, of course, yeah. You can't have that little. Sometimes people like with the way I trade, it won't go with a lot of people because of they're too hopeful. Like when they add to positions, like if I remove it, they wouldn't remove it, like where I would, or they're just too hopeful with the trades, so they allow their loser to run, so they have a
Right.
bigger loss.
Yep. Yep. That's exactly it.
Good morning, Nathan.
Nathan, what's up, buddy?
You guys do trade NQ and ES. Yeah, we trade both, mostly NQ, but I'm not gonna lie, we haven't taken a trade in ES in a long time, I think. But we still look at the
We don't
charts.
we don't do it. That is the wrong ass fucking template.
Is that
Yeah.
long
So back to
beach
that.
Griffey?
Discipline. You guys, you're asking him like what his edge is. Him telling you what it is. Try to. I know people say it. I know you've heard it probably watching videos. But try if you're not a disciplined person, even if you are, try to implement some things in your life and see if you can stick to it for like a minimum of 5 days. Then move on to 10 and so on and so forth. Because obviously, whatever you practice on an everyday level, you can implement it those aspects into other things that you're doing in life. Practice the discipline,
Facts, bro.
practice the discipline, and you'll see it transform into dollars.
Facts, man. That is actually facts. I was actually gonna say, you know where my discipline come from? Can you guess?
Oh yes. You want me to say the
Yeah,
gym?
yeah, in the gym. Exactly. My discipline come from the gym. Actually, let me show you. Have I shown you a photo of what I used to look like, James?
I don't think so.
No?
You
Okay.
was, you was a little skinny Brazilian
I
kid. Let me
was
see.
skinny Brazilian kid, bro.
No,
Hold
we're
on.
not live every day, Alex. Only on Mondays. This is called Eval Mondays. You dig?
Right, look at this, boys. Can you see it?
Yeah, I can see it. Damn, you were bony, bro. Yo, you were a fuck. Well, how old were you there? Like 15?
Must have been, yeah, 15, 16, something like that.
I mean, we were all skinny though at that age, bro.
Yeah, but bro, I was skinny, skinny. I was like
Okay, when did you hop in the gym? At what age?
17.
Oh, okay. So you jumped in early.
Yes, I was still, yeah, on and off. So I started taking it serious only when I was like 19, I'd say. 17, I'd go for 2 months, see no results, quit. That went on for about 2 years, and then I don't know. So something just switched to me when I turned that 19. Something just switched to me, and that's when I started to like really take it serious. I did everything right. I mean, like meal planning, my calories were to a T, everything, bro, everything.
Mm-hmm.
And that's when I
Mm-hmm.
started to really see results. I was just sick on my own excuses of why I wasn't gaining and I wasn't how I wanted to look. I just got sick of my own excuses because that's all it is, isn't it, with the gym?
Yeah, you were sick and tired of being sick and tired.
Yes. And I hated being skinny. I hated being skinny.
Yeah, you wasn't getting no play when you looking
No,
like
no,
that.
no,
Yeah,
no,
you
no,
could have
no.
got some girls, but god
No,
damn,
yeah,
son,
yeah.
like
Like, don't get me wrong. I
your
still
chest
get,
will
but
get
not.
caved in looking like
But
that.
yeah, yeah. You like, it's so weird, bro. Like because like when you do start putting on like the muscle and like people just treat you different, bro. Like,
Of course.
and I'm not just talking about girls. I'm talking about guys. You have more respect. Like, do you know what I mean? Like, it's
Well, because
crazy.
I think with both species, I think they when people see someone that's sculpted and they look very healthy, I think that nigga said gay.
Yeah, because he's a skinny little bitch. That's what he's saying.
But the thing is, I think people see like that's a disciplined man.
Yeah,
You know
yeah.
what I mean? There's a you see like me, like I'm disciplined in some aspects of my life, but you
Mm.
know, your man got a little belly, you know what I mean? And they're like, man, that's not a disciplined guy. But I still get respect that I'm a big motherfucker.
Yeah.
But I think people see that and go, man, I respect that. I wish I had that. Robbie wants to know your height, bro.
No, I'm not 6'6". I'm
Foot
joking. I'm
six.
6 foot. I'm 6 foot. 6 foot.
Oh, you're 6 foot.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I am. I'm 6 foot.
6 foot.
6 foot. Damn, that was a nice trade off that ES 30 minute, man.
That bounce high, didn't it?
Yeah. How many points was that? That was wrong.
Marcus just opened it, so
Yeah.
yeah. You wish
That was a 60-point thing.
5'8". Man's trying to nerf me, man. He's trying to nerf me.
The fuck is nerfing?
Now we got to explain what nerfing means. It means like like sometimes when you're like someone's too good at everything,
Uh-huh.
like, and then someone just tries to nerf them. Like, I don't know. You get it?
No, I feel like that's what I am though. I feel like everything I do, I'm good at.
Bro, I piss
I ain't
people
gonna
off.
lie.
I'm not even.
I feel like
You guys are gonna think I'm being big headed, but I was actually good at everything. I was so good at sports. Like in school, yeah. My mum actually got embarrassed because this is going back to middle school. My mum got embarrassed because I won every those events they have, Inter-house. I was putting on seven events. Yeah, 7 events. So like, like 100 meters,
like
long
field
jump.
day type shit.
Yeah, 100 meters, long jump, javelin, all these
Oh,
things.
you talking about track and field?
Yeah. Everything. Everything. I won 7 events, bro. Or every event that I was put in, I won.
Like first place.
Yeah. My mum even got embarrassed.
She'll be like, yo, chill, mom. You should be gassed.
Chill.
So you still have all those trophies and medals and shit?
Yeah, I still got it.
Good. Tony, you gonna join? That's what's up, man.
Doesn't know what.
Can't wait to see you in there. And make sure when you come in the group, Tony, you make sure you crack your mic. Do not hide behind the scenes.
That's
Ask
it.
your questions. Enjoy the vibe. If Salvador speaks to you, you don't have to respond to him because you know what I'm saying.
Kai really 5'5".
You don't count.
5'5". Fuck it.
Hey, yo, Anthony, relax when Unc doesn't know what nerfing means. You're right. I don't. And let me ask you, Anthony, do I need to know what the fuck it means?
Yeah.
Probably not.
You do. You're on the internet now.
Oh, so I need to know what it means?
Bomba
clot. Damn, what up? Damn, look at this bitch. This shit's gonna go to the highs again.
Yeah. First it was Aura Farm and now it's nerfing.
Damn, that coffee was good as shit, man. I want some more. I enjoy coffee, man. I think way too much.
Yeah, Salvador's the type that wears those 4-inch fucking shoes to make himself look taller.
Yeah, I know for a fact Salvador wear cowboy boots. He lives in Alabama and he be around a bunch of white boys. You know what I'm saying? Listen, I got cowboy boots myself. I know he wears his shit all the time.
Well, James
you don't need to know how old we are.
James 27.
27.
He's just been through a lot. He's been through a lot.
Look at his face. Do I look 27? More like 25. To be my age and still look this young, a lot of you guys are gonna, pray for this type of fucking Oh, look. You
Take
know what
off
I'm
the
saying?
cap.
That's that
Let's
melanin.
see.
So he said, take off the cap. Let's see the. Hey, yo, Anthony, mind your goddamn business.
James 27. Yo, the chat's funny
27,
today.
27.
The chat is
Wow.
funny today.
That was actually good. That was good, D-Pain. That was good. Well, for you guys that that been here for a while, you know my age. Some of you guys know my story. You know what I'm saying? But
You have to
for you
have
guys that
VIP
heard,
to know.
for you guys that are new, you need to join the Discord, and you can continue to watch the story unfold.
That's funny.
So I
27
love our
years.
YouTube Mondays, man. YouTube Mondays is fun as fuck.
They are funny. They are funny.
56. Damn.
Damn, everybody.
James,
The
the
rest of
ultimate vibe. I appreciate it. James was selling crack back in the days. Nah, I never actually sold crack.
not crack.
That other white shit, but not crack.
Not crack, boys.
Fuck that. You fuck with the low of the low.
How to bulk best way, bro? No beef. No beef? What, you don't eat beef? Do you like meal preps? Yeah. I don't do it anymore, but I used to do meal preps, so I know what calories I was getting in. Did be violate. Do you go live in the Discord? Yes, we do on the VIP.
Yes, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's a Zoom call. Open mic allowed. You're allowed to speak. You ain't got to type, so you can ask your questions and get an answer in real time. Monday, we do this every Monday. No live trading on Friday. The Discord is in the description. So come join it. And it's not expensive. There ain't no $2,000 fucking entry fees over here.
This
It'd be
is
funny.
just ran out from.
Yeah.
Could have bought anything.
Anytime I see a trader on social promoting, I go immediately
To see.
to their I want to know how much you're charging. I am always curious. Especially when I see you talking about some simple shit. You know what I'm saying in a trade?
Yeah. Simple as shit. Bro, did you see like some of these kids are like 17, man? They've literally just start trading.
Yeah, you got to give it some time, man. Build up the community's trust.
Yeah.
All right.
No, like it.
We are back.
Yeah, we're
All time highs again.
Did we just hit all time highs?
We just
Oh,
swept.
we did. Shit.
Just swept.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it to create some structure unless we drop here. If we drop here, it's all good, but
yeah,
we'll see some kind of structure.
Let's wait for some type of retest because this shit might carry on going up.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, yes, it's still got a way to go.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Let me see how many points that is. It's got about 7 points, 7.25 to reach all-time highs. Which 7 points could take a while on the yes.
It can, yeah. It's a slow mover.
Yeah. My top step account is currently at 51,980. My target 53. Would you advise a trade micro? Absolutely trade micro.
Yeah.
Wait, is that a funded account, Shavim? If it is, absolutely trade fund micros. We need to satisfy the market structure. Absolutely, Dan.
Absolutely, Dan. You know the drill, man. Yeah, boys. Like, if we've got this,
boys.
I'll take my chances.
Do you think we will go back down eventually? Yeah, of course, Steven. Always.
Eventually,
the market
of course.
always needs to fuck's the word I'm looking for.
Oh shit! Is this gonna?
I know, right?
This is
I
not
know,
gonna...
right? That's gonna be watch out. That's gonna be a what's the name right there? A BPR. Let's see if it could just stay around a little bit longer. That'd be a nice little BPR. No, never mind.
Rejection. Long the 5-minute You looking for shorts? Yeah. They were. I wanted to come back into the range though. I don't want to keep going.
I ain't gonna lie. I almost hit the buy button.
Did you? Well, on a
I
rejection.
almost hit it. I told you, man. I wanted to start working on trend trading.
Friend. Yeah.
Yeah, I want to start doing it. If we get another pullback and it doesn't get a closure below this inversion here, I am going to take one micro long and see how it plays out.
You heard
Or
him,
even
Russ.
if it creates another gap and doesn't close below, I'm going to go one micro long.
Is BPR the same as inversion? Same characteristics, but a little bit different. So BPR is a fair value gap that gets inverted by another fair value gap. So the gap from one gap to the other, that'll be like the balanced price range. If that makes sense.
I just had to put in a coffee order.
A coffee order?
Yeah.
Damn.
That coffee was so good. Jesus, that shit was good. And that's another thing too. Watching them videos in Vietnam, son. All those fucking dope ass coffee shops.
There's so much, man. There's so much to explore. There's so much little like hidden gems that you can find.
It's crazy because I was watching videos on in Ho Chi Minh, right? Old Saigon.
Yeah.
And you know, it's very busy, very crazy, chaotic. Then all of a sudden, you know, this guy walking, like there's these little like little forest areas with like what do you call them? Memorials and shit like that. And like it just comes out of nowhere.
Do you know what's funny? When I was in Vietnam, like you know how you cross the road? You just have to go very slowly, and they just go in between you. It's crazy.
Right. Yeah, we was watching a video of a guy doing it, and I'm like, I looked at my wife. I was like, I don't know. I will not put these motherfuckers on
the thing is, you can't hesitate. You can't hesitate.
Well, dude was hesitating.
No, exactly. That's when you hesitate. That's when it becomes dangerous. You need to just walk the same pace as and they'll just go swerve in and out.
Right. Yeah, that's gonna be. I go, bro. I don't think you understand how bad I want to go.
Yeah. You got it in your head now. It was the same as me when I had it in my head. I'm like, right, I'm leaving. I wanted to do it tomorrow.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Bro, I'm literally just gonna pack up everything that it's important as far as paper, and I'm just gonna do an estate sale.
So has your wife has she got the citizenship and everything in Vietnam or?
No, but she can get dual.
Okay, so that's the route you're gonna go down. Yeah.
I don't know. We're just. I think at this point now, the next step is getting real information, accurate, solid information.
Yeah.
Breaker structure, yeah.
How much per trade would you risk on a 250? Chris, it depends on what's your drawdown on your account. Do you base your CSD on your body of your candle, or do you prefer the weight? The base of wicks is a market structure. Do you guys the CSD that you're talking about is probably the modern version that you guys now use.
Yeah, it's just a market structure shift.
Yeah, I use CSD is pretty much just a market structure shift. That's a mitigation block market structure shift. There's a like CSD for me. Changing state of delivery, because that's when you know that the state of delivery has changed. We're not delivering to the upside, we're delivering to the downside. But you guys just use I don't know where this new terminology came from. I'm not sure if it's ICT or what. But...
No, you know what a new term.
No, but I don't think he used to. I don't think he used that back then. I don't know if it's changed now. I haven't watched any new shit, so.
We're talking about deported? Are you kidding me? My people's been here for 400 years, motherfucker. I'm up 5K at the moment. Walk away. Walk away, Chris.
Yeah, Chris, what are you doing?
Hey, Ray, I wish I had that long pre-market. Stop talking like that. Just move on to the next one. Who changed the definition of CISD? I have no
Huh?
idea. You mean who changed definition of
I don't know
market
what
structure
you guys,
shift?
the way that someone tried to teach me the other day what they think CISD is. It's like three candles, so there's three up candles, and then one down candle that basically covers all three or something, which is not the way I use it at all. I'm not sure how that defines a state. It could just be a
Okay,
pullback.
right.
It could be just a pullback. Like, how is that a change in state of delivery? Break of consecutive candles. So like three candles, right? Yeah, exactly. Market structure shift or
Yeah, that's what I'm
CISD
saying. It's the
is the
same
same
thing.
thing. Yeah. That's what I was still back in the days. But now CISD means something different.
Yeah, when we went over that in the Discord a while back. Like what? Because someone said it was break of structure and that was the same, and that's not the same. It's the MSS and
Yeah.
CISD. I just think if you're in the trading world, you're gonna hear about concepts and then realize, oh wait, this is the same shit as the other thing.
Yeah.
Damn, this lady keeps calling. Jesus Christ.
So ES are just going to the time highs now. So they're both.
Yeah. This shit is freaking moving, bro.
Yeah, well, I want to see some
Moving.
structure, boys. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Yeah, we need structure.
We need structure.
But
There's what? But you think it'll take it along?
yes, I am actually. But I need me a nice little pullback though. Like if it can close back inside of this after, well, let's see how this closes. This 1 minute right now. If it creates this, obviously it's probably going to create this imbalance.
Breaker structure, market
But
structure shift, the same thing too. No. So breaker structure, you're just breaking. You continue on this trend. You're breaking the structure. So let me show you here quickly. So breaker structure is when you break all highs if you're trending up, right? So that's a breaker structure right there. Breaker structure here, breaker structure there, right? Market structure shift is obviously when I guess you reverse the trend, right? So you're trending up, blah blah blah, boom, you broke the low. Now you've had a market structure shift right there, and now you're going down. Huh? Make sense?
makes sense to me.
Did Power get fired?
No, we would have known that. We would have known that.
There's news for that. I'll let you check. I don't think there is. No.
No, there's no news like I think Thursday.
Damn, it's so early. We haven't even. Clock hasn't even fucking turned yet. Going too slow, bro.
See, Mastermind, how you said, cool, thanks for replying. You join the Discord, you can ask as many questions as you want.
That's it, bro. Is he not in Discord? I thought he said he was.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Well, he said he was quitting. They're putting what's up,
What?
Heath?
He said
They're putting pressure on him.
What up? You trying to say that he said he was quitting? Ain't no way he said that.
Trump wants power gone on power.
He wants him gone after he appointed him, right?
But that's
He said he tried to blame what's the name for it.
yeah, that's wild. I'll die before he quits. Price reacts from higher time frame PDOA, right? But if the price is at all time
Mr.
highs,
Perez, there's educational videos with inside the Discord that go over exactly what strategies are used, and everything else to go with the strategy being implemented. So yes, I mean it's not. I don't know. It's not like it comes with the Discord.
yeah, there's educational videos on there. Price react from higher time frame PDOA. But if prices are all-time highs, how do you guys look at price and see where it react? Right, so all-time highs, we either wait for structure to get created on a lower time frame. Because if you wait too long, it's gonna drop, and you take the chances. You just have to be aware it's gonna be more risky doing so, but the moves will be bigger. Like the drop from all-time highs, they're big.
Yes, they are straight elevator down.
Or you just wait until price come back into the range. You see maybe if it bounces on this previous all-time high, see if the price will bounce there to join along. So you've got two options really. For me to take a short, this is what I want to see. I want to see obviously the good old mitigation block. So boom, price come up, creates a swing high. We have some kind of retracement, and then we go up again and we retest those highs there to see if it gets broken. If we don't, we go down, back down, close below the swing low, gets a boom from there. From that point there.
I don't even think you realize that you just gave. Thank you. Can you take that
some sauce.
They don't even realize. So what he means by why he's looking for the mitigation block is whenever it's either going in any direction, bearish or bullish, if it keeps running in one direction, the only trade that is being looked for is a mitigation block.
For sure. For sure.
Super sauce.
Yeah. The market trade I have, yeah. But you have to just, like you said, like all-time highs, it keep pushing up higher. So I'd say give yourself two chances. If two mitigation blocks fail that day, then call it a day.
Yeah. Or you could try to jump on the trend.
Can't beat them joining, right?
I mean, that's exactly.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Like the days that I don't do well in is trending days. Trending days I don't do so well in because I like getting reversals. I like taking reversals trades.
Yeah, the reversal trade.
And why? Because the moves are bigger. When you catch those reversals from the bottom to the from the top bottom, it's the moves are generally bigger, so you can have more profits.
Absolutely.
Basically, the markets are one direction. What do you mean one direction?
I think he's talking about price going in one direction.
And then, like right here, like this will be FOMO, right? These guys here up here, in my opinion, will be because we haven't had any kind of retracement. We have just been going up. If we have a retracement to a good spot, cool. But to buy up here on all-time highs, it's very, very risky.
It is.
It is, bro.
No, it is, but that's why you say, we base everything off 100 trades. If you keep doing the same setup, the same thing you're doing, it pays out in the long run.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. All right. Mitigation setting up.
It is.
What do you say? KDS carries the stream? What's that mean? Are you saying that I'm not putting in enough work?
Nah, he's probably just come on there. Yeah, he's seen you.
Buy so good, but didn't take it because setup happened pre-market. Yeah, that's the part that sucks sometimes. But get that shit out your mind though. Just wait for the next setup.
Gone.
Yeah, it's gone. It's over. It's a wrap.
You order
put a fork in them.
There you go, boys. The mitigation block there setting up. I don't like the time though. I'm not gonna lie to you. The timing of this.
Yeah. Well, just because I mean, I don't know. 10 a.m. don't scare me as much as it scares you. I'll be like, whatever. If it happens, it happens. I mean, hopefully
it has the reason is I'd rather take the setups any time other than the last 10 minutes of the hour. Is because we tend to like if we've been strong for the whole hour, right? Normally the last 10 minutes we'll have these little pullbacks, right, to entice people to go in short. And then what we do when the clock's about to turn, like 2 minutes, the clock's about to turn, we go up and sweep those highs again.
Yeah,
To
but
end it strong.
we're 6 minutes away, and it looks like we're about to get a closure here, and
it is eval.
it is. It's eval Monday.
It's eval Monday,
Apex,
boys.
KDS, get your accounts. 80% off, 1 day pass.
Let's see here. If the 30 seconds close below the line, I'm gonna hop in the short second. Oh, I'm gonna hop in the short.
Order filled. Oh, Daddy.
Absolutely, I'm in.
It's okay. Again, let's see if it happens. Let's see what I said might happen.
And
look at the hour, Leo.
that is a chunky ass 1 minute imbalance.
Your position. Whoa. Okay, boys. Let's do.
Look at
Let's
that.
go to
Already
let's go to
reversed
the view
us.
up. It's okay. We're in. I'm in light here. I'm in 2 micros. But the reason I do it, boys, it stops me from. So it stops me from debating with myself. If I see the setup, I'll take it anyways. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter what I think because I could be wrong. Just how I'm saying. So even because I think I may go up to the highs in the last 10 minutes, if my entry model still sets up here, I'll still take the trade. Because it's still a probability that these things happens. And the thing I hate the most is missing out on a trade. If my setup is there and I lose the trade, it's cool. But if my setup is there and I don't take the trade and the trade goes my way, then it's very, very annoying for me. 94. Oh, it's up the highs already.
Damn.
That was an aggressive push.
That shit. Yeah, there's no need to be in that anymore. And that was like a bull flag that it formed. Interesting. Yeah, I do go quiet when I enter a trade, right? I'd be hyper focused.
He knows.
He definitely knows who I am.
What the reason we press sell
we press
here?
Sell here because it was a mitigation block.
Mitigation block. I just the thing I explained. If you wasn't here, Tariq, just to rewind the video. I literally explained why. Of what I'm looking for.
And also, knowing that it's such a trendy day at the moment, you guys absolutely, even though it's evals we're trading, still going light. Don't try to OD on.
Oh yeah, I'm in with 2 micro boys. I'm going light. We're all-time highs, unknown territory, new price discovery.
Yeah. Don't OD. Not enough data to go short for me, but good management, boys. Okay, Enrique Iglesias. Oh man.
The thing I would say, this is the thing I think about, right? People say like, the 1 minute time frame, but everything starts on a 1 minute time frame. Like reversals, everything starts on a.
Oh, yeah.
Everything
starts.
All the moves starts on a 1 minute time frame. So if you trade a 1 minute time frame, you're able to capitalize on this pretty quick. Don't get me wrong, like points of interest and stuff. Yeah, of course, higher time frames they're better, but like your entries and stuff. That's why I take my entries in a 1 minute.
No, the candle has to close below the low, not before the low.
Because it comes to close before the low. Yeah, so we entered off the 30-second. In hindsight, obviously, if we were looking for the 1 minute, I wouldn't have entered this trade. But I was being a bit aggressive.
And sometimes you gotta be.
Hey, but I'm still in the trade.
Yeah, and it could have been a stronger close, Connor. But we've been trading them so long that it's kind of second nature now.
Yeah, so if you look, if I trade 30 seconds, you see this little candle closure here. Close below the line there, below the low.
And again, the threat isn't that real because we going in with light work. We ain't going in with heavy work. Light work. You know what I mean? Put light work on his light work. You dig?
So do you think I jumped the gun because the count then close below that support? Well, you went this trade here, Heath? Is that what you're talking about? See, I would have done the same thing all day. Yeah.
Oh,
I answered already. Okay, cool.
He said the Fetty's so strong you had to bag it with one eye closed. Too bad you ain't listening to that drug talk, man. That Clips album is hard, babe.
The drug talker? So the
You
clock
never
turned.
yes, I'm saying you don't know about the Clips.
No.
Oh my god, man. Since the early 2000s, babe. But this album they dropped, you know what I'm saying? That shit with Stove God Cooks. That shit got me addicted, boy.
Shit.
The Fetty's so strong.
Yeah, he has seemed strong, boys. I haven't got hope for
Very
this.
strong.
He wants to go home.
Yeah, she got the eyes again too.
That fucking stop sound always makes me fucking jump, bro. So high. Did you guys hear that? Stop.
Is that how your stop loss goes?
It's fuck. It's a guy saying fuck. Yeah, boys. Look, one thing you gotta realize: everybody trades different. So just because you guys look for certain things doesn't mean that I look for certain things. I trade the way I trade. Right. You guys trade the way you trade. So sometimes when you guys say like, "Oh yeah, but this didn't happen or this didn't happen," I don't look for these things. There's a million different ways to make money in the market.
And remember, they all work too, you know. And then you guys add a lot of stuff that does, you know, jeopardize your trades. Just stick to one easy concept and keep it moving. You know, you're looking for all this stuff, and what you're really not realizing is all about you being able to manage your risk. You ain't got to have 100 different theories on why you take a trade.
Literally, like I said, you need three to four good reasons. Good. 3 to 4 good confluences to enter a trade. You don't need to look at every single thing. Like some of you have like 7 different things. You're like, yeah, but this didn't happen. This didn't happen. This. You just confused yourself.
Yeah, that's a fact. Middies. I like that. Middies and inversions.
Right, let's have a check here. James, you said you were looking for long. I think we didn't have a retracement, James.
Anymore. No, I was looking because when you was gonna go show off that mitigation, I was looking at these. See what he doesn't have on his chart. What I have on my chart is I have the 9 and the 21 EMA. They're for trends,
right? And
it came inside of it. So just real quick, so if you're above VWAP and you have your EMAs on 9 and 21. And it's playing inside between the 21 and the 9, and you're above VWAP, those are longs. That's the theory on a trend day. And yes, I was going to take it, but I don't want to go off. I don't want to go off policy right now. Off what? How do I say it? I don't want to go off what we normally do, so I just left it alone. It's eval Monday. Okay. This is if I was trading a funded right now. I would have been quiet in the background doing my own thing.
you would have low. Yeah, I wouldn't ever long up here. Personally, I think it goes like with. If I was to do that, I'd fuck myself up a lot in terms of like how I manage my trades and how I look for things. Like because some days it looks like a trend days and all of a sudden it will switch. And imagine you have 2 ways of trading, a trend day and then you have a reversal day. And then you think it's a trend day and all of a sudden things a switch. And
You're
like,
right.
but
You're right. Absolutely. That. But see, that's why I say all of this, in my, not even my opinion, it's fact. All this is all subjective
yeah, of
because we
course.
don't know what's going to happen. This, you know what I mean? So that's why the risk is the most important aspect of the game,
Yeah.
because what I just said about the EMAs and the VWAP is a valid tragedy. God damn it.
Yeah.
Strategy. You heard that long ass S?
He's doing overtime over there.
But, but we don't know. So I'm just gonna stick to the training plan what we always do. But that other way works as well, man. It really does. If you want to try to implement it on some paper. Because right now we have this 1 minute imbalance, right? If it doesn't close below and it plays in between that 9 and that 21, that's a long for me.
Nice.
James is from Slytherin. I respect it. I like Slytherin House. I think some of them were, tight pussy, but some of them was, saying about it too. People don't know, man. Harry Potter is not for the weak, son. Harry Potter, here you go, Deathly Hallows Part 1 and 2. That was some serious shit going on.
Fuck it out.
Oh shit.
So you watched all the Harry Potters?
Say again?
You watched all the Harry Potters?
Of course I did. My favorite genre of movies are sci-fi and fantasy.
Mine's horror.
That we love, but see, we do horror the entire month of October.
Okay, nice.
Even my 8-year-old daughter, the ones that she can watch, because me and my wife watch a lot of the 80s ones, like freaking all like the camp movies and shit. But those shits are always inappropriate. There's always smashing, titties everywhere and everything. But like Halloween, Freddy. She used to be in love with fucking Chucky.
Yeah.
But we watch them all, bro. The whole month. You see my house. I've shown you why I was decorated for Halloween.
Yeah.
Freaking 12-foot skeletons and mummies and shit. Werewolves. Quiet Place is good, but I don't know if I consider Quiet Place really a horror.
A Quiet Place. I like a Quiet Place, yeah.
Yeah, it's cool. It's cool.
Good storyline. Yeah. I like crime. I like suspense. Those kind of.
You know what I really don't like? I
I
don't like action movies like that.
Yeah, I'm not like sometimes every once in a while I'll
be so loud,
bro. But it's so fake. Like you know what I'm saying? It's just so fake.
Cabin in the Woods is cool.
Cabin in the Woods is good, yeah. Some action movies, but it's not my go-to. Like action movies are not my.
Like you know what's dope? You know what's a dope action movie?
Don't say Fast and Furious. I was gonna say.
Say what?
I thought you were gonna say Fast and Furious.
Fast and Furious Part 1 and 2.
Oh yeah, no, they're good.
Part
the old ones.
Fast and
the
Furious.
old ones. The old ones.
Absolutely.
Not the fucking new ones.
Don't sleep on 1 and 2.
The new ones where they're like fucking riding off a car of like a skyscraper and oh my god. Those are cringe, bro.
Yeah, they're so it's so far fetched.
They went from racing to like just pure action. I used to love the racing ones, bro. Like those were good.
They were like doing international crimes and shit. Like, how did you get plugged into that?
Yeah,
you guys were street racers.
yeah.
The fuck out of here. Like, you know what? Like, you know what movie I like? Because so there's some horror movies that I can fall asleep to. You know what I can't fall asleep to?
What?
The Conjuring. Those movies. The Conjuring and Insidious movies. Them shit still. You've seen those, right?
Yeah.
Will you agree that the Conjuring movies are scary as fuck? Stop it, 5.
They're like jump scare. There's a lot of jump scare in there.
Yo, like that, the Nun one, the Nun.
I think
Man,
I do you know what I think is like my girlfriend asked me the other day, she's like, why don't you jump? Why don't you jump? It's like I always
What do you?
expect it. I'm always expecting, you know, like when the little suspense music's coming
Yeah,
through,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
and then
yeah,
it
yeah. That's
boom,
the best
something
part.
something comes up, and everyone's like, ah, bro. I always expect this shit is coming.
He said the nun scared the black off me. Shit is scary as fuck. Let me ask you: do you do haunted houses during Halloween?
Huh?
Do you
Kai,
do haunted houses?
no, what? What's that?
Oh my god, son. We are some haunted house family over here.
Kai doesn't
Take
want to
me
lose.
to a haunted
Kai doesn't
house.
want to lose any aura on the stream.
Damn, sorry, Tom. Next time going late, my boy.
Ah,
You know what I'm saying?
shit.
You'll get it back though. Don't worry about it. You know that. You know how it go. Ups and downs of this shit.
Yes, look like it's about to turn his head.
Yeah, this is. Come on, baby. Start dropping some. Okay, here we go. Here we go.
Could this be it?
Jesus is the one. Shout out to mental
Jesus,
illness.
take the wheel. That's a song, isn't it? Jesus, take the wheel.
Oh, we talking about that Jay-Z shit?
Oh, is that Jay-Z song?
He says that in there. Something at the end of the song. I think it was on the Pound Cake song with Drake.
Oh.
Oh, Event Horizon is good with Lawrence Fishburne. I like that movie.
Street Racer to Dwayne Johnson flying, yeah.
I know, word, right?
God,
Yo, in The
please sing it.
Rock. Yo, son, The Rock. The Rock cannot act, bro. He is the same person every time.
He's aura farming too much.
What's the name? The other wrestler. He's a way better actor. The guy from
John Cena? Batista?
He's better than The Rock, in my opinion.
Batista?
The other dude, Batista. But yeah, Batista. He's a really good actor, in my opinion.
Yeah, I don't like their films actually.
What films?
All of those, like the wrestlers.
Nah, Batista's good, man. Batista's good. Give my man some credit, man. He deserves credit.
Tell me a good film that he was in.
Let me go on IMDb so I can say it correctly. Because he did that one in the woods.
Arthur said, Kai, please take a good trade today because I tried. My boy, if I could, all my trades would have been a good trade. I can't know. It's a probability game, bro. Some are losers, some are winners. Trust me, I don't take bad trades on purpose. He has a contract where you can't lose. Oh,
yeah, you do take bad trades on purpose.
Do I?
Yes.
Cabin in the Woods.
Yeah, Guardians of the
Galaxy.
Cabin in the Woods was good. That's what he was in. Guardians of the Galaxy, he was cool in that, but there was other movies. Oh, the joint on Netflix with the zombies. He was good in that.
I don't think I'll watch that one actually. I've been into my zombie films lately.
You guys, if you're paying attention, if you have the 9 and 21 on your screen, look at that. Look how it played in there. What? And it didn't even break the halfway point of that imbalance.
Is that your talking about your thing?
9 and 21?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jade, remember that movie I was trying to remind you about, the one you told the Discord about? Avengement.
Oh, Avengement, that British movie. Yes, that's Army of the Dead. Yes, YYSK. That's what it. Avengement. You got to watch that. I don't know how you haven't seen that, and you a UK resident.
Avengement. What's it all about?
It's about a crime family. The brother was like soft and like messed up a lot. The other brother set him up. He went to prison, but the brother was trying to have him get killed the whole time in prison. But he learned how to defend himself and became like but in the beginning of him being in prison, son, they broke his jaw. He had to have his shit all wired up and all that. But yo, it is good. It is like probably one of the best.
Man, you gave that
British movies I've seen. Oh, did I give away the whole movie? He ain't gonna remember that, man. He smokes weed.
I will remember that. Yeah, I will remember that.
You ain't gonna remember that shit. Never mind. Don't need to see the movie. Yo, Anthony, you need to watch that shit, my boy. Hey, Tony. Hey, relax. What do you want me to do?
What do you want me to do about it?
Hey.
Guardian of the Galaxy. That's like part of the Avengers and shit, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm not a big Marvel fan. I don't really.
I
I don't really
tried to be,
care.
bro. I tried to be. I tried to watch all these movies, like in sequence and shit. But I'm not. I'm not that nerdy, bro. Like I'm just not. Ghostdini, please stop it. Oh, hey,
Hey, yo,
hey.
Arfat,
There's no
eat a dick.
disrespect in here, man. No
No, no,
disrespect
no,
in
no,
here.
no, 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 no. You can
Come on.
easily just hit the X button on your tab and close it out. You don't need to be here.
Yeah, don't come in the stream and be rude,
Because
man.
let me tell you something, Arfat. This isn't a fucking stream where you're gonna come in here and learn all these strategies and shit. This is for entertainment purposes only. You want to learn more? Join the Discord.
Jokingly, looks like you guys like Star Wars. What are you trying to say?
Jokingly looks like
I
you
haven't
guys.
I haven't watched
Oh,
no Star Wars in my life, bro. I'm
wait,
not even
wait,
gonna
wait,
lie.
wait, wait, wait. There will be no Star Wars slander in this motherfucker.
I haven't watched any Star Wars, bro.
I
It
love
never
Star Wars.
appealed to me. They have the hairy beasts going. Oh, that
Hey,
fucking.
yo, listen, man. Listen, if you don't know how to speak Chewbacca, and that's your fault. Oh,
Chewbacca.
Andor is the hardest series ever made on Disney.
ICT
The
knockout.
hardest series.
The ICT knockout should be made into a movie. Yeah, we're working on that with Netflix.
I don't watch no
One
anime,
Punch Man.
Ravi. Yeah, he watches that shit. That's all him.
What? Anime? No, I don't. I don't.
Yeah, I don't do anime
I
unless
don't.
it's Godzilla.
No, I don't. I don't watch anime. I try to get into it because the boys, the guys on here always talk about it. So I'm like, oh, let me give this shit a watch.
Yeah, that's Salvador shit, I think, right?
Salvador, Jason, even Sanga.
Yeah, I don't even know. Let me look up what One Punch Man even is.
Did you see the new what's that fucking anime they watch? Dragon Slayer. Did you see the new Dragon Slayer episode?
Wait, is that how anime fans sound?
That's how Salvador sounds.
Yeah, what I would like to do is because in Atlanta they have a lot of conventions. I would go to an anime convention though,
Mm.
because I think the way those people put those costumes together, them shits be looking fly. They really do a good job.
Bro wants to shut all time highs. No flashy. Bro. I ain't gonna come back with that.
You ain't
Do you
got
know
no
what?
comeback for
Do you know
that?
what? You little 17-year-olds think you know better than everyone. Bro
Yeah,
wants
they
to do
do,
this.
right?
Bro wants to do that. Bro
I
think he
know.
knows better than everyone.
We'll
Wait
be
till I run
sitting, we'll
into
be
you in
sitting here
Bangkok
watching
again.
us.
But you guys watch Aura. I'm Aura farming. That's why I'm trying to shoot all time highs.
Listen, I'll tell you right now. We did mention that there was going to be an eval given out at the end,
We
and
did.
we are only at 46 likes, so that shit might have to
I have to
be
wait.
put on the back burner.
Yeah. What's going on here? Ooh,
All right,
boy.
I think this long
This is
is about
setting
to
up
come.
for this long? Oh shit!
I mean, not long.
I
Sorry,
was thinking
short.
about shorts. I was gonna say.
My fault. My fault. No, because I'm over here looking at ES because ES already closed. What the fuck, man? This inversion here already closed below.
Yes.
But I was trying to see. I was trying to wait for NQ to catch up a little bit more to confirm because I would have taken the short on here, but NQ was holding it up. It seems.
Hey.
Oh, you did. No, actually, I did see that. Heath, thank you. It's going to Heath again. Yeah, they don't. These people don't know. Just like the damn stream. It ain't that hard. Come on, man. It's called engagement. This is how we
Engagement,
feed our
boys.
dogs. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you know how much a damn dog a bag, a dog, how much a dog a bag food costs? You know how much a bag of dog food costs?
Tell
Yo,
him,
the one that
James.
we get,
Tell
son,
him.
it's like $105, bro.
Fucking hell. How long does
God,
that
just
last?
maybe a month.
$105. Like,
Yeah,
fuck,
man.
that
I
motherfucker eats, bro.
yeah. Well, it was twice a day. Now it's down to once a day.
Yeah.
Oh,
About
you
like
got
a
a
full.
cane corso? Damn, that motherfucker's huge. Would you move your dogs with as well? No, the dog is definitely not coming to. If you're asking me about going overseas, no, absolutely not.
It's too much hassle. Dogs and trying to like take him. I tried to take my dog to the UK when I went. There's a lot of airplanes that they just don't take them.
Yeah, well, for me, there's
See you
a
later, DB.
peace, damn peace. There's a lot of farms to the east and south of where I live. I will try to pawn the dog off there. But if not, you gotta go to the shelter.
Ooh,
You already know how I feel about animals.
ooh, ooh. See that spike?
Yeah, I'm looking at it. What's it look like on Emmett? Let's look at Emmett Q.
That's just taking all these motherfuckers out.
Same shit. Yeah, because you know people had their stops right there.
Mm-hmm.
That's why you gotta have those large micro stops. If you do believe that the course of this is going down.
It's looking a bit messy.
Yeah, she trendy. She trendy. James, but the dogs that are probably super cheap over. Yeah, you're right. Everything's super cheap over there. D-Pain, you can have the dog, bro. If you're here in the States, you can have it. Because you're the way you're vouching for my dog, you can have it. Man, on the charts till you get to 100 likes.
He's the real
Or
one.
lose the song. You're right, Heath. He's saying hide the charts until it's at 100 likes.
There should be like a different room where if you've got like this you got like the stream to go into the room.
Can you tell once to everyone about liking the stream? What?
Hello, Nawaf. Nawaf.
What's up, Noaf? What is that emoji you got there? Is that like a cartoon?
I
Like
say Batman.
a Riri Batman?
I don't get that.
Go to his shit.
Oh, here he is. It's like Batman there.
Oh, it's a NFT. Whoa, what's his playlist though? Wait, click
Nah, you got some
click
full
on the
money going
playlist,
on. I
bro.
ain't clicking on that.
Click on
You click on it. NFT.
Oh. Your man was like this in the shit. Oh.
James, look at James' top. He's aura farming right now. He's aura farming.
I'm an aura farming.
Look at his top. Look at his top. He just wanted you guys to see his top. That's why
You can see my top.
you can see it more now.
It's your man Pablo.
It's your man.
You know, I know how you guys like that white girl. You know what I mean? Y'all want a package?
Package. Packet.
Oh, packet.
You got a packet?
Oh shit.
Hey, I think this is it, boys. It's coming. No, actually, let's see the levels. Let's see if Bookmap's telling us anything.
To trust the data too.
2, 3, 4, 20.
I'm happy I waited though on that ES trade. Something told me it was a little funky with NQ.
Mhm.
That shit just shot right back up to the highs. Your boy be knowing what he's talking about. I know what I'm looking at. It took some time, but you know, I'm somewhat there.
He's there. He's there.
Nah, but I'm no. You want to know why I know I'm there?
Why?
because I know
You've stopped
that I'll
making
be
the
able to
same
do.
mistakes.
Well, no, it's just because I know I'm at the point now where I could take this
And,
overseas. You
and
know
go
what I'm saying?
overseas. Yeah, yeah, you can actually.
I know I'm gonna make money.
That's good, man.
I know I'm gonna make money.
Now go short, although it could retrace.
I don't know. I know one thing. If I get this closure right here, I'm going short
Yeah, I want to see the closure
because it's
below.
already fucking 1025.
I want to see the closure below here, boys. That's what I want to see.
Oh, you're going all the way down there for the closure.
Yeah, yeah. Being a bit more careful.
More management on that one. Well, I mean, it's right by where I'm gonna take mine, so
Hmm?
it's right by where I'm gonna take mine.
Close, very
Let's
close.
see what they're saying in here. Low can retrace, just keep up. But it already passed all them highs, means overbought. Yes, it is definitely overbought. So on the RSI, you guys probably don't use that either. But normally on the RSI, it's defaulted to 70 and 30. I changed mine to 80 and 20 to give me more of an indicator of it being overbought. So yes, we are definitely overbought on the RSI, but that doesn't mean it's gonna fucking trade down. James, are you solely going to earn with trading overseas, or do you have other side hustles? Yeah, I have other stuff that pays me every month. So yes, it's not just solely traded.
He's the head of the
So
biggest cartel in the world.
this guy, listen, I want nothing to do with anything criminal. So my goal was to have consistently $4,000 to $5,000 a month that I know comes in. Like in order for me to say yes, I can make that move. Trading, thank you, Black Jesus is an additive because if it was just trading I had to depend on, I'm be honest with you, I would not be talking about going overseas. But this is what I want to be able to pay for all the extracurriculars that one wants to take while overseas. You know what I mean? But Jess, to answer your question, I have other things that go on in my life that brings in income, no matter where I'm at.
Yeah, just look at his t-shirt.
What is on Unk? Bro, if you have no idea what it took to get where I'm at. There is nothing for me to put you on to. I'm sorry. I wish I had it for you, but you have to put in a lot of work. What if I breach the eval? Can I still trade until the day closure? No. If you hit your max limit loss, you can't trade anymore.
Is that a go,
Is
bro?
that
You going?
that a go, bro? You going? Are you talking to me, Heath? If you're talking to me, yes, I'm going. We're going. We are going. My kids are going to go to school. I told my son yesterday. I said, you're probably going to wind up graduating in Vietnam.
Yeah, man.
You know what I'm saying? You could take weekend flights with me to go see Kai.
Come here to Bangkok.
The bronze Brazilian.
That's it.
You know what I'm saying? I just want to go to what's name and get drunk and fight.
What, to that island?
Yeah, I just want to try it one time. I don't even care if I get beat up. I just want to do it.
It'd be funny, bro. It'd be funny.
It would be. I just want to fight. Are you going to
We can
Vietnam? Yeah. So
we can stream it as well.
we are bro. Everything we do, we're going to stream, except for stuff that is frowned upon.
Give it to the guys.
We are streaming everything. Yeah. So Heath, right now the goal is Vietnam. Doesn't mean that Thailand is not out of the question. But you remember, my wife is Vietnamese, so it's easy to go to Vietnam and her speaking the language. Look how that look at these EMAs, son. It's just, let me see. If I took the trade from here, yeah, that'd be a 50-point joint right there. Tell you, I'm not in 21s. I like them. Yeah, we'll catch up later, Heath. This is how it happens. So, and it is a Monday, guys. You know what I'm saying? One move and done. You know, choppy. You know, there's no news. Let's see the whole week. Let me go to what's the name? No news today, obviously. Tomorrow you got Orange Folder. Fed actually Chair Powell speaks tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. I don't know what that means though. For why would he be speaking? Oh, all right. Let's see. Wednesday, existing homes. Yeah, Thursday is when we get the most PMI and unemployment. Friday, nothing.
He said 21.
Slow news week. 21 years in trading. Unk is 21. What? Am I supposed to understand? Like when you write a couple of words, supposed to understand what you're saying?
I don't know.
I mean,
I don't know what they are about.
is that how it works?
Serial which trade. Power banking conference tomorrow. If I get free
yes,
account,
you have to pay the activation fees.
yeah, you're just getting the eval for free. You're not getting the funded account for free. The eval stage.
Yeah, but you know that right there, you know, portion of the cost that you save.
Yeah, of course.
Let me see. Let me see if the likes went up. Let me see. 58 likes
58.
and 187 people watching. Man, is that like button like kryptonite? I don't get
It is.
I don't get it at all.
They want to know your income, Jinx. They want to know what other ways are you making money.
They want to know my income. Who
They
said
want to know
that?
what Anthony.
Hey, James,
Anthony's
what
trying to
are
move
the
out.
other ways? Oh, Anthony, the money that I was speaking about is it's already I've already been making that money for years. And so the only things that I will be doing overseas, um, well, obviously what I'm doing now, streaming, um, you know, I'm trying to get into this whole world of streaming and vlogging and everything and making content. So I want to do that. But I'm honestly, bro, the only other things that I'm gonna implement, if it's not, if it has nothing to do with business, I'm not taking no job or anything. I'm not gonna go teach no English or nothing like that. I'm just gonna be chilling off the money I already make because, for one, I'm good at money management. So I'm not like someone that's gonna go out and saying blow their whole load. Pause. It's it's just I manage money well, so the money that I make it's easy for me to survive. If I'm paying $1,500 a month, $1,000 a month for a place to live, with my wife and kids, and your food cost is what $20-$30 for a family of four a day. You know what I mean?
Mm.
It is what it is. I don't need to do much. And I'm not looking to add anything that can potentially have me come back to the US. I'm just trying to, move how I'm moving now. You dig? And plus, you know what I'm saying, when I saw this house, I'm sitting on mad equity anyway, so
So basically, you
how you
have a lot of
doing?
money saved up, he said, hence why trading is extra income for you.
Basically, have a lot of money saved up, hence budget. I mean, yeah, pretty much. I mean, should I have a lot of money saved up before I came back into the trading world? Because, you want to trade full time. Here it is. If you don't have the money, the support, and the resources to sustain you until you figure out how this trading shit works, it ain't gonna work.
Mm.
When I came back, I started trading in 2019. I traded for almost a year and I quit. I came back 2 years ago and I found my boy Kai here. You know what I'm saying? My good friend Kai.
That's
And
me.
I had the money to sustain while doing this trading stuff. So if you guys are thinking about doing this shit full time, make sure you have the capital. Make sure you're sitting on enough money and enough resources and enough support in order to do this, because obviously we know it's hard. But if you don't have that, you know what I'm saying? And and then if you implement even just that thought process into anything else, you know what I'm saying? Etc. Like moving to another country. You know, you got to implement it in everything. You got to stack your chips, keep your head down. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to go to the club. You ain't got to get a brado. You know what I'm saying? Fuck all that. Especially if you young. If you young, doggies, you can party in your 30s. You can party in your 40s. But if you young, keep your head down, B. You got your job, stack your chips. Like, what are we doing? We blowing money for what? Stack your money and you know what I'm saying? So you can do shit for when you get older. Don't do the dumb
Very
shit
true.
young. Do the dumb shit when you're older. Get the money now. You dig? He said,
This
nah,
is
my
time.
hairline won't last till I'm 30. I say you can't get a girl with a bald head. Motherfucking girls with bald head. You know what I'm saying? You just got to grow one of these, my boy. Oh shit. That's funny. That's funny. But it's true though, man. When you're young, you don't think about the future. You know what I'm saying? I know I didn't, but I didn't
No,
have
no,
anybody
yeah,
right
no.
here. You know what I'm saying? So Uncle Ghost right here trying to tell you, save your money, man. I'm telling you. When you get to, let me tell you how much money where you're gonna. To me, when I started feeling, like I got
Comfortable.
this, when I had like 15K saved up, I was like, because at that point, the things that I'm doing in life, I'm never touching my bank account, right? My savings account. You
Mm.
know what I'm saying? It's just I'm just putting shit in there. But the relief I felt from a fucking bill, you know, um, trying to like if I wanted to go out, I ain't gotta worry about it. But I was stacking them chips first before I started to play like that. And once I started realizing how easy it is to keep money, oh, it was over from there. And but then again, this didn't happen until I was about like 30 years old. So you know what I mean? I didn't do this in my 20s, but I mean I had money in my 20s, but I was fucking it up too. But save your money, guys. I'm telling you. That's your fastest way to relief. You know what I'm saying? If Shorty trying to get you to buy some dumb shit, tell her, nah, son, I'll put my money away. You know what I'm saying? You be like, yo, you want to contribute to the savings? You want to
You want to pay the
contribute to
bill?
the facts, James. People quit their job without having any savings, which put a lot of stress on. Oh, hell yeah, man. Hell yeah. He said, he's 23. I'm cooked. No, you're never cooked. There's always a way out, bro. There's always, always, always a way out. Listen, man, when someone tells you, better days, are ahead of you, it's a true statement. We just have a problem where we dwell on the current situation or a past situation. And I get it. It's hard. I understand when you're in the mix of it, you're like, damn, man, everything's fucked up right now. But I promise you, take it from someone who's been around a minute. It gets better. It gets better. You just got to put your fucking head down and don't let that situation destroy you.
Yeah.
Because if it destroys you, I mean, I'm not speaking to your mental health, you know what I'm saying? But don't be weak. You got to be strong, man. You know what I'm saying? You was already fucking born into a fucked up world. You know what I'm saying? Now play the game in this fucked up world.
Where I live, you need 15K a month. Where do you live, Melvin?
What? 15,000 a month?
Where do you
Yeah, you
live?
wild. He lives in Miami, living that high life.
Switzerland? Fucking hell,
Switzerland is 15K a month?
what is the wage over there in Switzerland?
He said must be on Mars. Where I
Holy
live,
shit, what?
200 is enough. Yeah. And another thing too, you know, if you guys are like struggling with money too, man, yo, chat GPT. Put all your expenses, man. Put the money you got coming in. Let it make a budget for you. It might sound corny to you, but I'll tell you that shit work.
It does.
That shit work. I'm telling you, bro. Like having money saved up, man. Like it's like whatever. You know what I mean? You want to go do something? Let's go. But if you're just looking at your checking account and you're like, God damn, I got $1.90.
$1.90, bro. I used to remember these days. I was so bad at saving money back in the days. It's either that or you start earning so much money that it then becomes easy to save, like having a good job or something. Because I was really bad at saving money. I never saved any money.
Yeah, you were telling me.
I had to get to a point where I'm earning a lot of money, more than I spend, to then, you know, actually live comfortably.
Right. And that's the whole thing, man. You just want to be comfortable, man. You just want to be comfortable. That's all I care about. It's comfortability. Like my mental health is like the most important thing to me. And that's another thing, guys.
Wait, hold on.
You got people in your life.
I'm just gonna get into the short.
Order filled. Oh, Daddy.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna get in the shorts. Carry on talking.
No, I want to look at what you're looking at because I see it. Let me just wait a second. I want to jump in. I just want to see a closure. All right, I'm in with you too. What I was gonna say is, you know, if you got people in your life that's you know, bringing craziness and shit and making you feel unstable or whatever the case may be. I might not be using the right words. My mind gets scrambled at times. But my point is set boundaries, yo. Set boundaries and learn how to cut people off. Learn how to cut people off and not feel one way about that shit. Yo, they call me the cut off king. I don't give a fuck.
The cut off king.
Cut off. I don't give a fuck who you are. You make shit weird in my life, I ain't fucking with you. That's the bottom line. Because I can't afford to deal with your shit and my shit.
No, that's true.
You know what I'm saying?
That's true, man.
Cut them off. Cut them off. I'll tell you, man, once you learn how to set boundaries too, I'm telling you, trajectory. Just straight up. You dig what I'm saying?
Yeah, I think if these aren't shorts now, boys, I think this shit is just gonna keep on going and going. So
what's a good amount to start with, or which funded account you recommend? I wouldn't start with any live money. Go straight funded. I mean, go straight to
straight funded.
Well, you can go straight to funded.
Straight
you know what I'm saying? If you want to pay, but yeah, you can
prop firm.
Yeah, prop firms, but you know, obviously Apex, use code KDS. But you got My Funded, which is a good prop firm, Tradeify, good prop firm. Top Step, long to get a payout, but good prop firm. They've been around the longest, like 12, 13 years. So, but I would not trade live money unless, you know, you knew exactly what you were doing. And if you did, you wouldn't be here. So go prop firm.
Yeah, for sure.
The reason for the entry was the close below that trend.
Yeah, we broke the trend. ES is looking good as well. We're breaking below the had a market structure shift, and also the order flow on Bookmap looked good as well.
Melvin said if we drop past 2 accounts from the giveaway, nice. What else we got in here? Oh, they're asking you about Kai. Did you have money saved when you left the UK?
When I left the UK,
he was balling.
Yeah, of course. By the time I left the UK, I was already in a good place financially. I wouldn't have moved from the UK if I wasn't in a good place financially. But yeah, like I'm spending way more now, guys, than I did in the UK. Have a guess. Have a guess in the chat how much you think I'm spending here in Thailand.
Like since you've been there,
Yeah, like per month.
he's been there 2 years, guys. So take that into
Just
consideration.
let's take it into the last the last 6 months. How much do you guys think on average am I spending a month here?
No, I think I can tell you how much you spent in the last 6 months.
Do you reckon?
Quarter milli?
Nah, I don't think that's much. That's too high.
That's too. You definitely spent over 100K
Let's see.
because you already said that. You already spent half of that $240,000 payout. D paying 3 to 5K? Absolutely not. He spends 20K or better. Has to. I mean, the dude takes Emirates flights.
This is in pounds, by the way, boys. Pounds. So 1.3. Wait, pounds. Pounds are stronger than dollars, so you have to times the pounds by 1.3. That'd be dollars. I did 2K back on last week, so I reckon 250K. All right, so this month I'm being quite sensible actually. 21st. Oh, this month's not too bad. Right. Let's see, yeah. So this is this month. It's not too bad. This is like very, very good. Okay, so let's slide it. When's that? Okay, this is last month. What's that? That's 20. 20 again. 12. 19. 12. 27. So the lowest I've spent, the lowest month has been 12. Actually, we're on course for the lowest month this month because I haven't done anything. I haven't really gone out or haven't been anywhere. But we spent 4.5 already. So yeah, averaging actually. So last month was 23K. Month before 20, 20, 12, 19, 12, 27K. These probably highs have been hit up.
I told you it was over 100. They don't realize that you
Bro, I don't flex my shit. Like I'll go to my place. I'll go out. I'm not like these guys that just put everything online.
You enjoy living the high life.
I do,
which is great. That's what you should be doing.
Our fancy restaurant. Yeah, and also like I honestly spend about 80 quid a day on just food for me. That's because I like order for home, so like it'll be like 20, 30 quid a meal. You can do it cheap, but like I like get like, for example, like my go-to meal is like the Brazilian restaurant, which costs like 15 to 20 quid a meal, which is like 20 something dollars, $25. Yeah, they could. See, that's sometimes, but I'd rather just for convenience sakes, I like just getting it. The food here, like there's so much. I don't cook. I have cooked this month. That's probably why the expenditures are down. I probably spend the most I spend on is probably food. Like if I go out with my girl, we'll go to like a nice, like we went to Nobu, bro. That was like what, 300, 400 quid, and it was literally nothing. You're in Fong Law. No, I'm in a soak. And yeah, I'm still in a stage where I do enjoy, I enjoy the nights out as well, boys. So like when I do go out, like I spend a lot on nights out. Easy. In Samoa, yeah, I was in Samoa before. Samoa's great. Buying Gregory's for 400. Yeah, no, 100%, Carl. Yeah, that is literally it. Literally it. Just getting the tables but you go from clubs to clubs, and then every club you want to go, your girl wants to she wants to sit down. You've already asked me this. Which clubs you go? I'm not gonna. I'm not gonna give you guys the map. You little freak. But but yeah, honestly, in the UK, what I spend maybe like 2-3K trying to line me up. Yeah, he is, bro. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Make sure you don't have that kettle on. So yeah, top end table with 5K. And yeah, yeah, exactly. Like obviously the nights out's expensive, like food. We like going to nice places, but pretty much I'd say pretty much every month or every other month we've gone somewhere as well, and we'll get like we'll get flights. Flights are expensive. Um, Obviously if you're getting the business class for yourself, cool. But if you're getting then if there's two of you, it adds up. We went to Dubai. Dubai. We spent in Dubai. Must have spent like 15 grand.
Jesus.
Yeah, Dubai
What
was
is that?
expensive.
Just shopping and eating?
Yeah, yeah. Hotels, shopping, eating. Obviously like the cars. The cars are expensive, bro. Like if you're getting like we got it for I think 3 or 4 days. Costs about
What did you
four
rent?
four or 5K. Lambo, the black one.
Oh, why you say the black one? Did I see it or something?
Did you not see it?
What did you put it on?
I don't know. I think I shared it. I don't know. I can't remember. Maybe I didn't. But that's what I mean. I don't really share much, do I?
No, you don't. You don't. Which is good though, because it looks like I don't know what it looks like. I'm sorry. I just got an email that I didn't like.
Mine's distracted
My
him
mind
though.
is somewhere else right now.
It's just,
I'm going to your Instagram right now. All right, you got a red one here. What's the red one from?
no, not the right. Look at the black one. It was when I went to the bar at that time. Um,
Wait, did you?
it's on. I think it's the second picture. Oh no, it's not. No, it's not. Damn it, I've not even uploaded it.
Yeah.
Oh shit! I didn't even realize. I haven't even uploaded the. That's what I mean. That's what I mean. I'm not doing these things like to flex. You know what I'm saying? Like some people they'll go to the bar and they'll get these cars. It's just to flex. I'll go because I want to enjoy it. Like I want to ride around in fucking Dubai in a Lambo. Like it's not because I want to like come out with a fucking course and be like, oh yeah, I own a Lambo.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't even realize I didn't even.
No, that's a rental. You're right. It is.
It is, but you know how much it is to fucking rent one.
Yeah. How much is it? The rent one
1.5K. Depends which one you get.
a day.
1.5K. Yeah.
I guess that ain't that bad.
Yeah, it depends which one you get. So there's different types in there. There's obviously SVJ will be like 3K. SVJ will be like 3. Ghostdini.
What's an SBJ?
What's a Bugatti? SVJ is like the top end Lambos, the sportier version, I'd say.
We need to break below this 1 minute right here. Disrespect it. Let's go and just start dumping more. Are you still in with just
Yeah.
one micro?
Yeah. No, 2 micros.
I went in with 1 mini.
Yeah, Carl.
I just
Like
said
like the thing I was telling the guys as well was like I could like for one, it's like 300% tax in Thailand to get any kind of a supercar. It's 300% tax, so I'm not gonna pay 3 times the price of something. But I could go somewhere like Dubai. I could go somewhere else. I could go Miami. I could do exactly what these guys are doing and buy a Lambo, and just flex that life to try and get more sales and shit like that. But it's just not me. If I have that urge of like, you know, doing these things, I'll just go to Dubai. I'll rent it out for a week and just after that, you don't want it anymore. You don't even want to drive it because it's so fucking uncomfortable.
Right. Yeah, they don't. They definitely don't look comfortable to drive.
No.
Absolutely not.
It's literally just to feel your ego a little bit. It's nice, but then after a while, even if you owned like one of these cars, yeah, like after maybe a month of owning it, it's old news. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Like with anything, they're really uncomfortable to people. Yeah, they are. I started taking my first payout in 2024, almost 10k, 2k per month. But in 2025, my trade is not properly going well. I've reduced my risk too much, but I'm struggling to hit the pay.
I can tell you why.
Rodrigo, I think everyone's in the same boat, bro.
The market changed. The market changed.
KDS, do you
If
plan
this
on
was
making
last
another
year, we
YouTube?
still be getting moves right now. Yeah, but if you was doing all the things that them dudes be doing in Miami, I'm sorry, bro. You look like a super cornball.
Nah, like
Because a lot of that shit
there's
is
a lot
really
of
more like
bro. There's a lot of these guys. They go to Miami. They'll put a 20% down payment, and then they've got like a 5k payment, 3k payment, or whatever a month for these cars, and they don't even own the car. It's a balloon payment at the end. You know what I'm saying? So at
and
the
then
end,
balloon payment.
and you'll see in 2-3 years time. Oh, sold my car. Blah blah blah. But you ain't sold the car. You just gave it back.
Yeah, you couldn't sustain.
And even so,
That's
like
what I'm
I, I've
saying.
have I have I
Hondas
have
and Chinese food.
bro. I have friends that like have done really really well, really really well. And they own like 3-4 supercars, and the maintenance costs for these fucking cars, bro. It's ridiculous.
They're high.
Yeah,
That's why I don't get it. I don't get why people get these vehicles not understanding that back end cost.
yeah, yeah.
They're just going in there all gassed up. You know what I'm saying? Oh, I got that shit. Yeah, you do, but it's gonna cost you, my guy. It's
For
gonna
sure.
cost you.
Yeah. You see the cars always in the shop. Yeah, most of the time you see the cars always in the shop. Yeah. Buy more. You see, watches I do like. Watches I do have like a couple of pair of nice watches.
Yeah, what you got? Talk about the watches.
I've got
Let's
a
hear what you got.
Rolex. Let me see what I got.
Of course.
Uh,
What kind?
hold
Got
on.
the oyster?
They just the silver with rose gold. Have you seen that one with a green dial? It's nice. I'll show you later. I'll show you later when I
Yeah,
find
I've
it.
seen the
And
one
I
with the
have
green dials before. Yes. And rose gold. Oh, that's me and my wife's favorite
and I
gold.
have an AP rose gold as well. Rose gold AP.
Nice, nice. A bust down? Is it a bust down? No, you ain't got no diamonds
No
on that
buzz
shit, do
down.
you?
No, no, no. It's not diamonds. Do you trade full time? Yes, I trade full time. Did you build a rep in Thailand yet for Rolex? What do you mean?
Man, what does that mean?
I hardly
Like,
wear it.
like, yeah, fucking shit be sliding back and forth with all that damn sweat.
Yeah, man. Ravi's going hard for those likes.
Yeah, he is going hard for the giveaway, isn't he? Thank you, Robbie. You are you're a trooper. 89 likes, guys. 173 watches. Damn, that like button is crypto night.
Hey, we gotta hope these last 2 minutes we're just gonna pump up now. Yeah, but yeah, I find that shit super corny when people like try to flex on people. Like the only reason I'd post it online and stuff is like because I'm proud of like where I come from and like that now I'm able to get a business class flight or like these things I can now enjoy it. That's the only reason.
Right.
It's never to like flex on people or think or like make people think like that I'm better than you. Do you know what I mean?
No,
So we should
absolutely.
like enjoy.
Because I mean, flexing is corny.
Yeah.
Like in that, I mean, you could stunt in a humble way. You know what I mean? But you can just tell when people try to force the shit. But that just goes back to the good old saying that, money can't unlame you. If you a lame, you a lame. I don't give a fuck how much money you got. Because at
Some
the end of the
lame
day, it is
people.
just money. It just buys you access to shit that other people can't get to. But sometimes, you know what I'm saying, having that authenticity about you is way better than that money. Don't get me wrong, get the money. But authenticity matters so much more.
Of course, yeah,
Because you can't tell me these people don't they get they you can't tell me that these people don't get bread and they become a whole new person, take on this whole new persona.
yeah, yeah.
He said, nah, money can definitely unlame you. Absolutely not.
Nah,
Lameness always bleeds through.
me and the fiance just travel, and you want the money for that more than anything else. Yeah, yeah. Like for me, like the peace of mind of the freedom is everything for me. I don't care about anything else. Being able to just work, what, 6 hours a week, it's lovely to me.
Yeah.
Do whatever the fuck
Yo,
you want the rest of the time.
did you find yourself in the beginning like, making money and then have nothing to do? Where you like, because you come from obviously the working world,
Hmm.
did you feel like you were like just being lazy and
Yeah,
shit?
yeah, bro. Even now I do,
Yo,
but I have to tell myself. I have to be like, you're cool, man. It's cool. Rest. Like I feel
yeah,
bad. There's something in me that I just feel bad. Like if I don't do anything,
because
I've gotten
trading,
better, but yeah,
uh-huh.
yeah,
With
I used to be
trading,
bad.
you're not giving back nothing to society.
No, no, bro. That's what I mean.
But yes, I be feeling the same way, bro. Like sometimes, like when I go up, because when I talk on the phone, I walk a lot, and I be outside my house just walking back and forth, talking at like 10:30 in the morning, like not a care in the world, and neighbors driving by me like, "Damn, son, you ain't got a job."
That's funny.
Oh, shit.
That's what I
Yeah,
love, man.
but
That's what I love. On a random Tuesday, on a random Wednesday, you could just be out by the beach, like just enjoying yourself if you want to. Do you know what I mean?
yeah, I feel you.
A lot of character raising can happen if you get money for sure. Um, yeah, but I think what it means, like, I don't know. I think it just amplifies the person that you are. Like, if you're like, you can't just get money and just turn cool. If you know what I mean.
Listen, I read what he wrote. I'm not even responding to that. I just I know I've seen it. I've seen
Yeah,
it. You still weird around girls. Actually, you become weirder.
yeah.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm a full-time trader. It took me I became profitable June of 24. That's when I became profitable. I hope you've been buying some
Money's like
fucking
alcohol, just amplify the personality. Yeah, yeah.
damn, how many children do I got? What the fuck, Ravi?
You guys want to get personal,
Yeah, damn man. Listen, join the Discord,
eh?
man.
He'll tell you that.
You I talk more personally in there. He said, man, y'all
Love the
nosy.
energy, boys. Thanks, bro.
Nah, you're good, Ravi. It's okay to ask questions.
Get
Ravi is
dizzy.
trying to get diddied up. What the
Uh,
shit? Oh, if you guys didn't know though, I did start a TikTok.
yeah, yeah. Go follow him,
I
man. Drop the TikTok.
God, yeah, the TikTok is fucking Ghostdini.
My best trading month. That's a good question. Let me check. This year, I think it was February.
Why is my phone frozen? What the fuck?
This year, I think my best trading month. Yeah, I only lost once in February, and that was the last day of February. I about 15K.
Yeah, my shit is just Ghostdini, man, and on TikTok. That's it. So you guys go ahead and you know come over and give your boy a follow. I'm going to uh I'm going to try to post um um shit every day. I'm gonna post one today. Fuck it. You know, I want to get into the what's the name world. I want to get into the content world. I posted my second video, first take. The first one took me a while. I think I deleted the video. Like I made it outside in the backyard. I made it in the front yard. I did it in the front room, which is the classroom in my house. It's a very comfortable room, actually. There's a reading corner and everything. It's nice as fuck. And then I just came in my office. And so I want to say I deleted like 8 times before I posted it. And I don't even like my first video. But the second video, one take. Bang, bang.
Love that. So, Kai, didn't you come up? Did you ever have a girlfriend who was against shoe trading? If so, how did you handle it? Yeah, not against it. Well, not against it because I've always kind of every relationship I've been in, I'm like I don't really take shit from girls. Like I'm always the dominant one. Like I'll do what I want to do. Um, but
Damn, son.
in terms of
Impressive.
did she no, in terms like if I have a dream, bro, I'll pursue it. I don't care. There's no one's gonna hold me back. You know what I'm saying? Um, no, that it's true though, right? It's true. There's so many guys out there that will stop pursuing a dream
Yo,
because of what they think people may think. Well, my boyfriend.
he called you dominant daddy.
Bro,
Yo, yo,
the reason I use that word is so you guys just know, innit? Like I wear the trousers because there's a lot of you guys out there that don't. A lot of you man out there too much of a pussy to just say it how it is because you're scared of losing the girl. Um,
yeah, you got no, but we've said this before. Honesty, that's policy.
yeah,
Say what it is from jump. Because if you don't, you find if you try to introduce who you are later on into the situation, it don't work. Just say what the fuck it is from jump, and that goes from anywhere from, if you meet a girl and you just want to be, just say it. What's the point of going through all that, all that work? Just say it, because a lot of women will be like, I respect your honesty. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, man. Honesty is where it's at.
but
You can't
go
be you can't sugarcoating shit.
go back to the thingy. Actually, it's not like it wasn't really against me. It was just maybe like had some doubts about what I was doing. But I believed in myself, and I knew I'd eventually make it work. And now look, she's all she can do is just look at my Instagram and see how I'm living.
All
So
she can do is what?
look at my Instagram and see how I'm living. So
True that. True that. True
uh,
that.
guys, it's your full time. What your average a month for trading? Just a rough average. It's always different, but I would say ranges from, let's say this month this year's been 15 to 60. So it ranges between those numbers. Like a really
What
bad
is your
month would have
range?
been 15 to 60.
15 to 16?
15 to 60.
Oh, 50 to 60. I'm about to say, why are you lying?
No, 15 to 60. Yeah.
I was like, 15. No, it's not.
No, 15 to 60. Yeah.
He said, does she text you? Yeah. Do any of your old things try to be like, oh, I always believed in you. I'm sorry.
Yeah, just on 3 days a week, Jesus. I copy trade my accounts. 3 days a week, 5 accounts a day.
But see,
Uh,
Jesus, but that's how you got to see it. That's what risk management is. In the trading world, less is more. You don't trading every day. I promise you're gonna give back. He said only 3 legs, guys. Everyone, let's
yes.
cross it. Ravi's on it.
Nice car. That's good, man. Fucking hell. I'm struggling to keep up with the chat. You.
No, that's good, man. No. We've
Hold
answered a
on.
lot of those.
What about? Fuck off, Yanis, you
Okay.
little.
Oh no, look at Ashley Garlic. Look what he said. Yo,
What?
Kai, get in my DTV next week in Vietnam. So when I'm settled, you down to meet and
Yeah,
what?
bro. I'm always down to meet traders. You guys around here, man.
He got 20 on Apex. Damn, it's 11:08. Jesus.
Yeah, Jesus Power. It's not like Doesn't necessarily mean just because you trade more days, you're going to make more money, though. That's the thing. If you eliminate the days that, historically you do bad in, which is like for me, it's Fridays, Mondays as well. I trade evals on Mondays, but I don't trade my fundeds. Um, I've been way more profitable, so I don't look in taking it back. Like it's good.
And how long would you say you've been only trading 3 days a week now?
All throughout last year and this year. Like last year was amazing, bro. Last year was
Wait,
amazing.
you're saying you started in January of last year, only trading 3 days?
Yeah.
Because I remember you putting it out. I just don't remember it being.
Yeah,
It's
yeah, it
been
was in
that
January.
long.
Yeah, yeah, January last year.
Jesus,
Yeah.
God, man,
It's flown by, hasn't it?
trading world they just be going by. Yeah, give it a shot, guys. Just give it a shot. Try taking out some of those days. Take out a Friday, take out a Monday. And then compare that, in your records to when you traded 5 days a week. Make sure you have some party shirts ready to rumble. What the
He's
fuck does
saying
that
because
mean?
if he meets.
Okay, I get that. What is the ready to rumble shit for? Oh shit.
Yeah, boys, just rewind the videos. Rewind the videos. I've literally explained myself twice already. I don't mean to be rude. I'm just saying this. It's there on the videos.
Ravi, you don't have to be a profitable trader to come join the team. Just come join the team, Ravi. He said, "Can you check gold?" We
No,
don't
you're
trade
cool,
gold.
bro. You're cool. You're cool. But yeah, main obviously there was the trend break as well. ES we had a market structure shift, so that was the extra confluence and the order flow on bookmap. Am I gonna keep holding it? Gonna see now.
I mean, it's after 11 o'clock. I'm
Fuck it,
tired.
yeah, I'm a little tired,
How long
boys.
have we been streaming?
Yeah,
Oh my god, 2 hours and 7 minutes. Oh well, that's nothing against you guys. We absolutely appreciate you guys being here.
of
But
course,
we
yeah.
get it, man. Sometimes these streams be like, "All right, man, it's time to take a break." I'm going. My lunch break is coming up.
Nah, mine too, boys. Mine too. I think I'm gonna hold this. Yeah, I'm only in with two micro boys, so I'm not even risking that. Even if this comes back and takes me out, I'm only gonna lose an extra 100 and something dollars. It was just a light trade today because we've been trading all time highs. I didn't want to risk too much today. You need to know when to put risk on and risk off. And today was definitely
Exactly.
a risk off kind of day. We took the trades. It may go down.
And I'm at
I'm just
and
gonna
I'm
hold
at
it.
break even.
I'm just gonna
I'm
hold
at
it,
break
boys.
even.
I'm just gonna hold it, but I do need to go eat, man. So I'm gonna call the stream, boys. Uh, Let me
You're
know how
gonna
you get
wait.
on
We
in
got
in
we
the.
got 100 likes.
Oh, we got 100 likes. Okay, let's see. Let's see. I'll do a giveaway then.
Yes, 100 even. 100 even.
Yeah, let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. Okay. On here. All right, boys. You ready? If you're not ready, that's your own fault. Boom. Right there. Let me know who gets it.
Where is the fucking?
What should we do? You're late, bro. You're late. Someone's
Oh
already gonna get
shit!
that. Someone's already gonna get that.
Yeah, it's over. Look, about 5 people are about to get that right now.
Yeah, yeah. I'm gonna hold. I'm gonna hold the trade, boys. Make sure you get into the Discord. If I exit before the actual TP level, I'll let you guys know. I'll let you guys know on in the Discord. I'll shout it out. Got it
Robbie got
again.
it. Ah, good shit, Robbie. Robbie was
Ravi's
right.
been in it. Yeah, glad you got
Oh
it as
damn!
well.
So that's what 4 people got it. No, 5 people. Damn, that is not bad.
Not bad, not bad.
6 people. 7 people.
Shit.
7 people got that. Wow, that's crazy. You can't be mad at that.
You can't be mad at that.
You can't be mad
What's
at
for
that.
Apex? Yeah. All right, boys. I've got to get going, man. I'm tired and I want to eat as well. Lovely talking to you all. We'll be back next Monday with a stream.
Yes. Thank you guys for coming out. I don't have anything deep to say. I'm tired. See you
All right,
guys.
peace,
in
boys.
Discord
Peace.
tomorrow.
Hopefully this trade plays out for you all.
YouTube Monday.
All right. See you later.
Peace.